All right, so I spent some time reading this code and I think I know what it does. I'm not so sure though, but we may have to use responder. So apparently this one checks for new entries, or it checks the web server where it starts with web star. So if we were able to somehow change this music because it's interrupting my flow, if we were somehow able to create a DNS record that starts with web, we would get someone that tries to log in or to invoke a web request to that record name. And I guess it's done with this user, which maybe has elevated privileges. Yeah, we couldn't read anything from them. So maybe our next step should be to create a DNS entry and listen to someone that replies to responders. So let's impact no. Do I have responder installed? Yes, I have responder tune 0 and we want everything enabled. Must be run as root, of course. So let's run it as root. Do we have everything on? DNS is on. The thing that we need is on. Okay. I hope that's correct. Now, I also already prepared a little tool for us so that you don't need to wait for me to download it. It's in here. Carb Relay, which has a DNS tool, which should allow us to create DNS entries easily with Python and this tool. So let's try. How do we use that? DNS tool, DNS tool py, create new entry. Maybe we should check out. Yes, in here. No, this, I guess this is just the code. Yeah, this is just the code. Where are you? Add SPN? No, I don't want to add an SPN. I want to break free. Haha. Funny joke. DNS tool .py. Okay, in here. I guess we want to get this. Let's just get this. And here let's have our scratch pad, as I like to call it, where we can craft our thing. So this should be our IP. So let's get IP A. And this is the name of the entry. So this is the name of the entry and this is where it should go to, right? We have action add. Or is it D? I think it's D, yeah. And then we want the target IP, called target IP. Of course, I'm in the wrong folder. Cat target IP. Cat target IP. This is our target IP. And now we need to create something that starts with web. So web hack, doesn't even matter. And then we need intelligence, and then we need HTTP. So this should create a new DNS entry. With this URL or this domain name should lead to our IP, and so we can relay the requests, the Kerberos stuff, and hopefully get some hashes. But we need the right credentials, of course. So let's use our handy dandy nodes. Let's get this one over here. And I guess for the user we need this entire string. And then 2 backslashes, something like this. Let's try this. Let's get this. And then go into the right directory, Python. I'm stupid. Boom. Okay, do we need Python 3 or do I need to install some packets? We will find out once I'm not doing any time. Okay, so something happened. Adding new record. LDAP operation completed successfully, and now we just need to wait in here. This can take up to 5 minutes apparently, because this is scheduled to run every 5 minutes. So I hope it doesn't take 5 minutes, because I don't want to edit this video. Come on, come on, come on, you can do it. Or do I need to do something else because I'm not in the same subnet? No, that shouldn't matter. I guess I hit it at exactly the wrong time to do this. So I'll be back soon enough. Alright, we got it. We have the NTLM hash of Ted Graves. That's amazing. I had to wait longer than 5 minutes for some reason, like 10 or 20 minutes, but I guess that's just that. Let's write that down. Analyze script. Script fetches URLs defined. The URLs that start with web. Let's copy this port and put them in the nodes, and then we can do our command in here, create new URL. Yeah, I had to create a second one. The first one didn't work for some reason. And then let's grab got the hash of that with responder. Now we have the hash in here. Everything is nicely done, and we have already almost 100 lines of nodes. Amazing. Wow. But I think we can now crack this hash and get the password of this user, or maybe do a pass the hash attack or something like that. Let me actually close this up, get this. No. Uh-oh. Hang on, the notes are wrong. It's Ted.Grace. Oh, okay, so it's one line, but I don't have enough space to show it all on one line. Look at this. Ted has to be alone over here because the space is not enough. I need a bigger screen, apparently. Alright, but I think that's everything for this episode. I hope to see you in the next time. I've been Zenit, your host. Please leave a like, subscribe, and Leave a comment how you're liking it so far. Bye bye.